Good, insert time of period. My name is Real, and this is my Week 7 summary between October 2nd to October 8th. Sadly, class on Tuesday was canceled due to heavy rainfall, so those hours were reduced. But let's get started. This week is the week we actually started the lightsaber lab. So let's proceed. So what happened is that we practiced a little bit on Tinkercad. We got into what was actually a neopixel, what are neopixels of how they're set up in a parallel system, and then we recognized what our lightsaber schematic should be, and then we were introduced into accelerometers. So within Tinkercad, we actually practice using ring neopixels, such as like this, and well, we practice using them. We learn how to put them into. We learn how to give them color by setting up the values for red, green, and blue. But what we truly actually wanted to learn was the arrays. So because neopixels are actually set up in series, each one of them are actually assigned a number from 0 to the n, which we can actually give set up in like a loop system, such as a for or while statements. This can actually benefit us because like we can actually change it for areas like right here, so that way we can increase the length because there's a certain amount of voltage that can be provided to a battery from a battery that can provide enough current to actually light up the neopixels. Here's the first lightsaber schematics that we were given. I'm familiar with some of these, like such as like I was just familiar with the neopixels, but now we're going to go into more of them, more details, such as the accelerometer, which is basically the accelerometer is actually a device that lets us measure its rotation, so we know its x, y, and z coordinates. So we're going to be using this to recognize when the lightsaber is going to be turning on its own. Overall, I would say this week was rather productive for like the first couple for the first. It could have gone by faster, but we were getting used to Tinkercad at around this time. Have a good week.